Welcome to the Clutter Challenge, where we tackle the chaos of a disorganized home. Picture this: every surface covered, every drawer overflowing. It's a common struggle, but what if the solution is simpler than you think? Imagine transforming your space with just a few quick and easy daily habits. By embracing the power of routine, you can maintain a clutter-free home effortlessly. In this video, we'll explore how these simple habits can make a significant difference. Discover how daily routines bring order to your surroundings and peace to your mind. Are you ready to reclaim your space? Stay tuned as we dive into practical tips to tackle clutter, one habit at a time. Let's begin this journey towards simplicity and organization. Imagine spending just 10 minutes a day to transform your home. That's the power of the 10-minute tidy up. Focus on high-traffic areas like your living room or kitchen, where clutter accumulates quickly. This simple habit prevents chaos and contributes to a more organized, peaceful environment. Dedicating a small portion of your day creates a ripple effect of tidiness and tranquility throughout your home. 10 minutes can prevent hours of cleaning later. It's about consistency and making tidying a natural part of your routine. So why not start today? Embrace this quick, daily ritual and watch your living space transform from clutter to serene. Next, we'll explore balancing new items with the old through the one in, one out rule to maintain harmony in your home. Welcome to Habit 2, the one in, one out rule. Imagine bringing home a new sweater, excited to add it to your collection. But wait! Before you hang it up, consider this practice: for every new item, remove an old one. This habit maintains balance in your space, preventing overwhelming clutter. By adopting the one in, one out rule, you naturally check against overfilling your home with unnecessary items. It fosters a mindful approach to acquiring new possessions, ensuring your space remains open and organized. As you practice this rule, you'll find it easier to manage and enjoy the things you truly value. Up next, we'll explore how organizing items immediately can further enhance your clutter-free lifestyle. Every day, we encounter items that can quickly become clutter if left unattended. A simple mail delivery or package can create chaos on your countertop. That's where Habit 3 comes in: organize immediately. When you receive something, take a few minutes to find its place. Whether it's a bill, letter, or parcel, sorting it right away keeps surfaces clear and your mind calm. This proactive approach prevents clutter buildup and creates an organized environment that supports a peaceful home life. Embrace this habit, and you'll navigate a space that feels lighter and more manageable. As you make this practice part of your routine, notice how it transforms your home into a haven of simplicity and order. Next, we'll explore how resetting your home each night can set a positive tone for your mornings. As the day winds down, take a moment to reset your home. This simple habit can transform your mornings. By dedicating a few minutes before bed to tidy up, you wake up to a space that feels fresh and inviting. Imagine stepping into your kitchen with clean countertops or walking through your living room with everything in its place. This nightly reset not only clears physical clutter but also sets a positive tone for your entire day. It's a small investment of time that pays off with peace of mind and a sense of accomplishment. Embrace this habit, and you'll find each new day starts with clarity and energy. So, as you prepare for rest, remember that resetting your home is a gift to yourself for tomorrow. Next, we'll explore how these habits come together to create lasting change in your daily life. As we conclude our journey to a clutter-free home, let's recap the simple habits that can transform your living space. Each day, dedicate just 10 minutes to tidying up high-traffic areas, ensuring clutter doesn't accumulate. Embrace the one in, one out rule to maintain balance and prevent unnecessary accumulation of items. Organize as you go, handling mail or packages immediately to keep your surfaces clear and your mind calm. End each day with a quick reset of your home, so you wake up to a tidy space, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you can achieve a clutter-free home that brings peace and clarity. Imagine the serenity of walking into an organized space every day. It's just a few small changes away. So why wait? Start today and embrace the benefits of an organized home. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a more organized and harmonious living space. Remember, each small step leads to a big impact. Your clutter-free life awaits, ready to offer you the tranquility and order you've been seeking. Begin your journey today and experience the transformation.